Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add a line into Microsoft Word. But before we get started, I just want to ask, like, if this is your first time, then please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. I would really appreciate that. But yeah, with that being said, let's just get started. So yeah, as you can see, I already have my Microsoft Word open up here, right? So but in case you are wondering, this is something that we did in our last tutorial, where I show you how you can add a table into Microsoft Word. I also show you how you can add borders, and then I also show you how you can add a watermark into your document. So all those tutorials will be in the description, so you can just click on the links in the description and then you can check them out if you want to know how you can do all that. But yeah, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add a line into Microsoft Word. So yeah, there are actually two ways you can add a line into Microsoft Word. I'm going to show you both. Now let's say you want to add it down here. The first way you can add a line is just click on your shift key and then press on your underscore, right? Make sure you are holding your shift key in and then press the underscore, right? So just press it and then it will keep drawing the line. As you can see, it's drawing the line there, right? So it depends on how long you want it. That's the first way you can add a line into Microsoft Word, or you can create a line into Microsoft Word. Holding your shift key and then press on your underscore key on your keyboard, right? That's the first way. Now the second way you can add a line, as you can see, this line has been added down here. So now the second way you can add a line is you can come into insert here, right? So once you click on insert and then click on shape, right? So click on this line here. It can be this one recently used, or it can be on this line here. Once you click on there and then just come into your window and then click there on your mouse and then drag it. Depends on how long you want it, right? As you can see, I'm dragging it until here, right? And then as you can see, you have that. Now once you're done, you will see you have this format tab that just open up. You can actually format it, so you can press 0 here because you want it straight, right? You can even move it around if you want to. Click on it and then move it around. You can even change the color if you want to, move it to black, right? And you can even change the weight if you want to. You can make it a bit bigger or smaller. So that's how you can add the line. So let's just keep it with this, something like maybe this one, right? You cut it right there. As you can see, you can be able to move it around. So that's the second way you can add a line into Microsoft Word. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up before you go, and leave us a comment down below. And yeah, consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed already by now. I would really appreciate all that. But yeah, with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.